क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? वह कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कोई परेशानी? Any problem? Any problem? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? इसे वापस रख दो. Keep it back. Keep it back. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? बाहर जाओ. Go outside. Go outside. तुम क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. इसे जारी रखो. Keep it up. Keep it up. मेरे पास आओ. Come close to me. Come close to me. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूँगी. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. बकवास बंद करो. Stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. मेरी चीजों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my stuff. Stay away from my stuff. कृपया बैठे रहिए. Please stay seated. Please stay seated. वहाँ मत जाओ. Don't go there. Don't go there. आस पास पूछो. Ask around. Ask around. तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am very tired today. I am very tired today. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. ठंडा पानी मत पियो. Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. जल्दी से बाहर आओ. Come out quickly. Come out quickly. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. प्रयास जारी रखें. Keep trying. Keep trying. फिर मिलते हैं. See you again. See you again. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. पर क्यों? But why? But why? कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. तुम्हारी छुट्टियाँ कैसी रही? How were your holidays? How were your holidays? मैं तुम्हें कल फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. तुम्हारे नाम का मतलब क्या है? What does your name mean? What does your name mean? तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? दिखावा मत करो. Don't show off. Don't show off. आपको कैसे मालूम है? How do you know? How do you know? बातें बंद करो. Stop talking. Stop talking. आप यहाँ हैं? Are you here? Are you here? आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. बहस मत करो. Don't argue. Don't argue. वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? एक एक करके आओ. Come one by one. Come one by one. क्या मैं गलत था? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे सोने दो. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? फिर से कहना. Say it again. Say it again. यह मेरा सौभाग्य है. It is my pleasure. It is my pleasure. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. पानी गरम कर दो. Heat the water. Heat the water. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? किसी भी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. मुझे याद नहीं है. I don't remember. I don't remember. इसे खुला ही रखो. Keep it open. Keep it open. उसके साथ जाओ. Go with him. Go with him. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. तमीज़ से रहो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? मैं पहले से बेहतर हूँ. I am better than before. I am better than before. आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैं घर पर था. I was at home. I was at home. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं भारत से हूँ. I am from India. I am from India. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. आपका परिवार कैसा है? How is your family? How is your family? मेरा परिवार भी बढ़िया है. My family is also good. My family is also good. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? कुछ नहीं बस बातें कर रहे हैं. Nothing, just talking. Nothing, just talking. आपका व्यापार कैसा चल रहा है? How's your business going on? How's your business going on? व्यापार अच्छा चल रहा है. Business is going well. Business is going well. आप बताइए. What about you? What about you? चलो नाश्ता करते हैं. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. नाश्ता तैयार है. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. मैं काम के लिए जा रहा हूँ. I am going to work. I am going to work. तुम कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. चलो मैं वहाँ तक तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ. Come on, I will leave you there. Come on, I will leave you there. बस में मुझे चक्कर आने लगते हैं. I start feeling dizzy on the bus. I start feeling dizzy on the bus. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो. Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो. Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. वह मेरा बहुत ध्यान रखती है. She takes great care of me. She takes great care of me. वह बहुत प्यारी है. She is very cute. She is very cute. उसका दिल बहुत अच्छा है. She has a very good heart. She has a very good heart. वह धैर्य से काम लेती है. She works with patience. She works with patience. क्या तुम किसी का इंतजार कर रहे हो? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? हाँ मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. वह अभी तक नहीं आई. She has not come yet. She has not come yet. मैं और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मुझे इंतज़ार करने से नफ़रत है। I hate waiting. I hate waiting. उसे समय पर आना चाहिए। He should come on time. He should come on time. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं। I don't like such people. I don't like such people. समय की कद्र करनी चाहिए। Time should be valued. Time should be valued. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ। I am getting bored. I am getting bored. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है। This is not good for you. This is not good for you. अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो। Consider your age. Consider your age. बड़ों का आदर करो। Respect elders. Respect elders. बड़ों की मदद करो। Help elders. Help elders. अपना काम लगन से करो। Do your work diligently. Do your work diligently. एक दिन तुम सफल हो जाओगे। One day you will succeed. One day you will succeed. अपने इरादे साफ रखो। Keep your intentions clear. Keep your intentions clear. किसी को दुख मत दो। Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. जो तुम करोगे वही तुम पाओगे। You will get what you do. You will get what you do. इसलिए अच्छा सोचो। So think carefully. So think carefully. अच्छा करो। Do good. Do good. और तुम्हारे साथ भी अच्छा होगा। And it will be good for you too. And it will be good for you too. भगवान का धन्यवाद करो। Thank God. Thank God. भगवान ने मुझे सब कुछ दिया। God gave me everything. God gave me everything. उसने मुझे आंख मारी। He winked at me. He winked at me. मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा। I slapped him. I slapped him. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो। You are very rude. You are very rude. क्या तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है? Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners? जरा चुप हो जाओ। Please shut up. Please shut up. इसे संभालो। Handle this. Handle this. मेरे बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Where are my kids? Where are my kids? मुझे अभी जाना है। I need to go now. I need to go now. यह काम कब तक होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? यहाँ कौन कौन है? Who all are here? Who all are here? मेरी किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are my books? Where are my books? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ। I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. यह खाना किसने बनाया? Who made this food? Who made this food? तुम्हारी चाबी कहाँ है? Where is your key? Where is your key? मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? मैं इसे नहीं समझता। I don't understand this. I don't understand this. क्या तुम मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? मैं इसे पसंद नहीं करता। I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या तुमने यह देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? इसे तुरंत ठीक करो। Fix this immediately. Fix this immediately. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मुझे कुछ समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। This is very important. This is very important. क्या तुम समझ गए? Did you understand? Did you understand? मुझे और समय दो। Give me more time. Give me more time. इसे जल्दी करो। Do it quickly. Do it quickly. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? यह बहुत मुश्किल है। This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मैं थक गया हूँ। I am tired. I am tired. मुझे शांति चाहिए। I need peace. I need peace. यह बहुत पुराना है। This is very old. This is very old. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? यह टूट गया है। It is broken. It is broken. मुझे 1 मिनट चाहिए। I need a minute. I need a minute. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो। Leave it here. Leave it here. क्या आपके पास पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मैं जल्दी में हूँ। I am in hurry. I am in hurry. इसे बदल दो। Change it. Change it. क्या यह उपलब्ध है? Is this available? Is this available? मैं रुकना चाहता हूँ। I want to stop. I want to stop. यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? इसे धीरे धीरे करो। Do it slowly. Do it slowly. यह बहुत महंगा है। This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मैं इसे खरीदना चाहता हूँ। I want to buy this. I want to buy this. यहाँ कुछ भी मत बदलो। Don't change anything here. Don't change anything here. मुझे इसे खत्म करना है। I have to finish this. I have to finish this. यह कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मैं इसे नहीं पहचानता। I don't recognize this. I don't recognize this. मुझे और चाहिए। I need more. I need more. यह किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मुझे वहां जाना होगा। I have to go there. I have to go there. इसे वापस रख दो। Put it back. Put it back. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does this mean? What does this mean? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? इसे बाहर निकालो। टेक इट आउट। टेक इट आउट। मैं इसे समझता हूँ। आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस। आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस। मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है। आई डोंट लाइक दिस। आई डोंट लाइक दिस। क्या यह दूर है? इज इट फार? इज इट फार? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं होता। I can't believe this. I can't believe this. तुम बहुत तेज हो। You are very fast. You are very fast. यह काम कब होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? यह मेरे लिए नया है। This is new to me. This is new to me. तुमने यह क्या किया? What have you done? What have you done? इसे बंद करो। Turn it off. Turn it off. मुझे यह जानना है। I need to know this. I need to know this. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? इसे धो दो। Wash it. Wash it. मुझे एक जवाब चाहिए। I need an answer. I need an answer. यह कितने का है? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? मैं इसे नहीं खरीदूंगा। I will not buy this. I will not buy this. इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करें? How do you use this? How do you use this? यह रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ। I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. यह कितना समय लेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? मैं खो गया हूँ। I am lost. I am lost. इसे वापस कर दो। Return it. Return it. यह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? मुझे अभी जाना होगा। I need to go now. I need to go now. यह मेरी किताब है। This is my book. This is my book. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है। I have seen you before. I have seen you before. क्या यह सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. मैं यह जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। I am trying to find out. I am trying to find out. इसे कैसे स्थापित करें? How do we install this? How do we install this? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? यह बहुत मुश्किल है। This is very complicated. This is very complicated. This is very complicated. क्या हम शुरू कर सकते हैं? Can we start? Can we start? यह टूट गया है। It has broken. It has broken. मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं। Nothing. Nothing. तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। As you like. As you like. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go out. I want to go out. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you so much. Thank you so much. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? या are you crazy? इसे ऐसे नहीं करते। Don't do it that way. Don't do it that way. इसे इस तरीके से करो। Do it this way. Do it this way. आपने सही कहा। You said it right. You said it right. मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए। I should take care of myself. I should take care of myself. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई विचार है? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any ideas? किस बारे में? About what? About what? तुम्हारी परीक्षा कैसी चल रही है? How are your exams going? How are your exams going? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? मैं अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ। I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. ज़्यादा चिंता मत करो। Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. सब हो जाएगा। Everything will be done. Everything will be done. सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Nothing will happen by thinking. Nothing will happen by thinking. तुम्हें करना होगा। You have to do it. You have to do it. तुम कर सकते हो। You can do it. You can do it. भविष्य हमारे हाथ में है। The future is in our hands. The future is in our hands. तुम अपने भविष्य को खुद बना सकते हो। You can create your own future. You can create your own future. लोग हमेशा बुरा ही बोलते हैं। People always say bad things. People always say bad things. लोगों की तरफ मत ध्यान दो। Don't pay attention to people. Don't pay attention to people. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work. अपने भविष्य पर ध्यान दो। Focus on your future. Focus on your future. कल तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? मैंने तुम्हें पार्क में देखा था। I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park. बस मैं टहलने के लिए गया था। I just went for a walk. I just went for a walk. टहलना सेहत के लिए अच्छा है। Walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ। Come to the point. Come to the point. जल्दी आओ। Come quickly. Come quickly. अभी आ रहा हूँ। Just coming. Just coming. मिलते रहना। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. और कुछ नहीं। Nothing more. Nothing more. चलते रहो। Keep moving. Keep moving. यहाँ कोई नहीं है। There is no one. There is no one. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. देखो क्या हुआ। Look what happened. Look what happened. दिमाग से काम लो। Use your brain. Use your brain. दिखावा मत करो। Don't show off. Don't show off. बढ़िया है। Sounds good. Sounds good. कोशिश करते रहो। Keep trying. Keep trying. तुम कितने आलसी हो। You are so lazy. You are so lazy. मेरा पेट भरा है। I am full. I am full. उसके पास एक कार है। He has a car. He has a car. यहाँ कभी नहीं आता। Never comes here. Never comes here. मुझे एक लेने दो। Let me have one. Let me have one. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं। We are all with you. We are all with you. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है। I have nothing. I have nothing. इसे ठीक करवाओ। Get it repaired. Get it repaired. मैं उलझ गया। I am confused. I am confused. यह ठीक है। This is fine. This is fine. आपका संपर्क नंबर क्या है? What is your contact number? What is your contact number? मैंने उसे पानी लाने भेजा। I sent him to get water. I sent him to get water. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. मुझे दोष मत दो। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. यह फोन मेरा है। This phone is mine. This phone is mine. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? अपना वादा याद रखना। Remember your promise. Remember your promise. यह उसका घर है। This is his house. This is his house. अपने परिवार के बारे में बताओ। Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. यह मेरी गलती नहीं थी। It was not my fault. It was not my fault. कोई दिक्कत है क्या? Any problem? Any problem? उसने मुझे कॉल किया। He called me. He called me. इसे फेंक दो। Throw it away. Throw it away. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. अपना चेहरा मत बनाओ। Don't make a face. Don't make a face. अपने हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. इतिहास खुद को दोहराता है. History repeats itself. History repeats itself. इसे हमें दे दो. Give it to us. Give it to us. पढ़ने की कोशिश करो. Try to study. Try to study. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. होना चाहिए. Should be. Should be. बस इतना ही. That's all. That's all. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. मैं ज़्यादा देर तक सो गया. I overslept. I overslept. मैं तुमसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे अपने दांत ब्रश करने हैं. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. आप कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. तुम्हारी गाड़ी कहाँ है? Where is your car? Where is your car? मेरे पास एक सवाल है. I have a question. I have a question.